Learning with easy English daily. Let's start.
Wake up. It's morning.
Okay, I am waking up.
What do you want for breakfast?
I want bread and milk.
Are you ready for school?
Not yet. I am getting ready.
Do you need help with your uniform?
No, I can do it.
Why are you so slow?
I am still sleepy.
Where is your school bag?
It is in my room.
Have you packed your lunch?
No, please pack it for me.
Did you take your water bottle?
Oh, I forgot.
How was your day at school?
It was great.
What did you learn today?
I learned a new poem. It is
Where is your notebook?
in my bag.
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet. I will do it now.
Did your teacher give homework?
Yes, a little.
Do you have any tests tomorrow?
Yes, I have a math test.
Were you a good student today?
Yes, I was very good.
Did you help your friends at school?
Yes, I shared my pencils.
Do you want to play outside?
Yes, I do. I'm
With whom are you playing?
playing with my friends.
What game are you playing?
We are playing football.
Are you tired now?
Yes, a little.
Will you come inside now?
Just 5 more minutes, please.
Where is your toy car?
It is in my room.
Can you share your toys with your brother?
Yes, I will.
Why are you fighting?
He took my toy.
Say sorry to your brother.
Okay, sorry.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want to eat?
I want some rice.
Did you wash your hands?
Oops, I forgot to wash my hands.
Eat properly.
Okay, Mom.
You want more?
No, I am full.
Have you done your homework?
Not yet.
Do you need help with your studies?
Yes, please.
What subject are you studying?
I'm studying math.
Can you read this word?
Yes, I can.
Write neatly.
I will try.
How many pages are left?
Just 5 more pages.
Do you understand in the lesson?
Yes, I am.
Do you want a break?
Yes, for 10 minutes.
Show me your notebook.
Here it is.
Where are you going?
I am going outside.
Come back before it gets dark.
Okay, Mom.
Did you have fun?
Yes, a lot.
What did you do outside?
So I played with my friend.
Are you feeling tired?
Yes, a little.
Change your clothes.
Okay, I will.
Wash your face.
Okay, Mom.
Have some fruits.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you sleepy?
Yes, I am.
Change into your pajamas.
I am changing.
Come to bed now.
Just 5 more minutes.
Do you want a bedtime story?
Yes, please.
Did you learn something new? Do subscribe.